Hello everyone, you can also see how to make other stick firecrackers at home. It is very simple. Take another stick, turn and do it the same as shown in this video to make firecrackers. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this video. Have you also done other video? If you so, please let me know in these comments. God bless you and protect you.